ready? Go! Go! Wow, fast! Are you ready? You ready?
Yes.
Round 3, 2, 1, go! That's not going.
Different machinery, and down he goes.
To scrub off a lot of speed, and he's doing it again. Yoni Hernandez, yeah.
Oh, down he goes.
I'm sorry, but that was coming. Yep, sideways, going in, loads up the front. There's no way in the world he was going to be making that corner.
Supermoto champion or not.
Yeah. Best lap of the session, a 1:43.066. Oh, Espargaro's down at the first corner. Second crash of the day. Yeah, he was trailing the brakes going into the corner. Marc Marquez, front 40 locals. Oh, Lorenzo's down. Jorge Lorenzo. We were just giving you an updated schedule. Jorge Lorenzo.
He's an awful lot different.
And there we go. That was almost a carbon copy, actually. It's a really, really tricky turn, that turn. Well, how many riders, Nick, have we seen caught out now? Wow.
But how, if you go over the limit, that's what happens. There's only one down.
avanti nella traiettoria, un
Acqua.
po', guarda, quello che è successo a Franco Morbidelli in
Uguale,
Moto2.
identico, nella stessa chiazza d'acqua.
Lì
Altra caduta, attenzione Lorenzo!
Running in fourth place.
Oh, Iannoni's gone down. He was in 5th place, loses the rear. Such an easy mistake to make in these really tricky conditions.